Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best brow wax stick is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any makeup artist's kit, offering a seamless way to achieve perfectly sculpted and defined eyebrows that frame the face beautifully. This innovative product allows for precise application, taming unruly hairs, and creating a smooth canvas for brow products, ensuring a polished and long-lasting finish that enhances your natural features with effortless elegance. Whether you're aiming for a natural look or a bold statement, a quality brow wax stick can be your secret weapon for achieving salon-worthy brows right at home, making it an indispensable addition to your beauty routine. Number 5. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit. Introducing the KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit, designed for both women and men. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin conveniently in the comfort of your own home. Never waxed before? No problem. This kit is beginner-friendly, guiding you through the process with ease. Get professional results without the salon hassle. Everything you need is included. This complete wax kit comes with 14 ounces of wax beads, applicators, and essential pre- and post-care products for a perfect finish. Worried about irritation? Our formula is suitable for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable waxing experience. Say goodbye to redness and discomfort. Experience the difference of premium quality. This kit delivers salon-quality smoothness that lasts, leaving your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. Whether you're a seasoned pro or trying waxing for the first time, this kit is for you. Enjoy a complete and gentle hair removal solution. What we like? This is a complete kit designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It includes everything you need for a smooth waxing experience. If you're new to waxing or have sensitive skin and want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This brow wax stick is a game-changer for achieving a sleek, laminated look without the salon price. It holds my unruly brow hairs in place all day, even in humid weather, and doesn't leave a sticky residue. The formula is lightweight and blends seamlessly, making my brows look naturally fuller and more defined. Number 4. Whaline 400 Pieces Small Wax Sticks. These wax sticks are designed with the perfect dimensions for easy and convenient application. Their spatula-shaped tip ensures a smooth and effective experience every time. Crafted from high-quality wood, these applicators are built to last. They feature a smooth surface that is gentle on your skin, preventing irritation and ensuring a safe hair removal process. These specially shaped sticks are perfect for targeting hair removal on your eyebrows, face, and other small areas. Achieve a clean and polished look with ease. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and embrace confidence with these useful applicators. They are a must-have for your daily beauty routine, helping you avoid embarrassment. With 400 pieces included in this package, you'll have more than enough for extended use. Enjoy the convenience of having a plentiful supply whenever you need them. What we like? With 400 pieces, you'll have plenty for frequent use. The spatula-shaped tip ensures precise application in small areas like eyebrows and the face. If you need a cost-effective, high-quantity option for detailed hair removal and prefer a smooth, skin-friendly applicator, this is ideal. What people say. This brow wax stick is amazing for taming flyaways and keeping my brows in place all day. I love how lightweight and non-greasy this brow wax feels. It doesn't leave any residue. The packaging is sleek and convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. It's easy to apply. Number 3. Small wax applicator sticks for hair removal. Achieve flawless results with these small applicator sticks. Their precise design is perfect for detailed hair removal tasks. Designed for comfort and effectiveness, these sticks ensure a smooth hair removal experience. They are ideal for sensitive areas like eyebrows and lips. Get a generous supply with this bulk pack of wooden spatula wax sticks. You'll have plenty on hand for all your needs. These applicators are not just for eyebrows, they are also perfect for lip and nose hair removal. Their versatility makes them a must-have tool. Crafted from quality wood, these small sticks offer a natural and reliable option for your hair removal routine. They provide a comfortable grip for precise control. What we like? These small applicator sticks are perfect for detailed work. Their size allows for very precise application, especially for eyebrows, lips, and nose areas. If you prioritize accuracy in hair removal and need a large supply for detailed grooming, these bulk sticks are a great option. What people say. This brow wax stick is a game changer for achieving a sleek, laminated brow look without the salon price. It holds my unruly brow hairs in place all day, even in humid weather, and doesn't leave any white residue. The formula is lightweight and doesn't feel sticky or stiff on the brows, making it comfortable to wear. Number 2. Maybelline TattooStudio Brow Lift Stick. Introducing the Maybelline TattooStudio Brow Lift Stick. Get that perfect lifted brow look effortlessly, right from your home. This innovative product makes styling your brows incredibly easy. Achieve a polished and defined look in minutes. It features a unique tinted wax conditioning complex. This formula not only shapes but also cares for your brows. The soft brown shade offers a natural yet noticeable enhancement. It's perfect for adding depth and dimension to your brows. Enjoy a beautiful brow lift that lasts all day. Its formula ensures your brows stay perfectly in place without feeling stiff. This is your new go-to for achieving flawless brows. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential brow styling tool. What we like. This product not only styles your brows but also tints them for a fuller look. The conditioning complex keeps your brows healthy. If you're looking for a makeup product that offers a laminated brow effect with added tint and care, this is the one for you. What people say. This brow wax stick is designed to tame unruly brows and keep them in place all day long. It provides a natural-looking finish without stiffness or flaking, making your brows appear fuller and more defined. The lightweight formula is easy to apply and blend, offering a comfortable feel throughout the day. Number 1. Tress Wellness Waxing Sticks. Introducing Tress Wellness Waxing Sticks, your new go-to for smooth, hair-free skin. These premium sticks are designed for a comfortable and effective waxing experience. Crafted from high-quality wood, our waxing sticks are splinter-free for your safety and comfort. Enjoy a premium waxing session every time. Whether you're targeting your face or body, these versatile sticks are perfect for all your waxing needs. Achieve salon-smooth results at home. Each pack comes with 150 waxing sticks, ensuring you have plenty for multiple uses. Keep your skin smooth for longer without frequent repurchases. Experience the difference with Tress Wellness. Our waxing sticks make hair removal simple and efficient, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth. What we like. Crafted from premium, splinter-free wood, these sticks ensure a comfortable experience. They are suitable for both body and face waxing. If you value a high-quality, safe applicator for all your waxing needs and want to avoid discomfort, these premium sticks are an excellent choice. What people say. This brow wax stick is a game changer for achieving a laminated brow look without the salon price. It holds my brow hairs in place all day, even through a sweaty workout. The formula is lightweight and doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it easy to style brows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.